Hey, this is John from the Hot Springs Broadcast Network. I want to remind you that May 19th is Summerfest right in the historic Uptown / Park Avenue area of town. It's a great way to come by and get to meet the people that live in this area. The event is free. It's called Summerfest, and it's going to be starting right about where the old Bohemia restaurant is over to Cottage Courts. They're closing off that whole back area there. They're going to have bands and music and booths and entertainment and salsa contests and lots of fun. But there'll also be some food trucks over at 910 Park Avenue. You got Red Light Roastery. There'll be plenty of parking. Make sure you come down between 11 and 6, May 19th on Saturday. The Stuart Pennington Running of the Tubs is taking place in downtown Hot Springs, 9 o'clock, June 2nd. Make sure you stop down there and see the craziness that's going on. Just recently, Peter's Flooring and Paint decided to enter, and they were able to commandeer an old bathtub racer that had been used in years. I think Johan, one of the employees, was really excited about getting it. Not so sure about a couple of the other guys.
You gotta come and see this, guys. It's amazing. It's an amazing tub. Let's go. Come on, let me show you.
All right.
I'm excited about this, fellas. All right, ready? You ready for this? Introducing the Peters 2018 Bathtub Racer.
I don't know, Johan.
Join us next week on this channel to see if they can get this bathtub in shape by June 2nd. You know, every Wednesday is poetry night at the Collective Coffee here on Central Avenue. And this last Wednesday, it just so happened that the Iowa Wesleyan University choir was traveling through, and they were able to connect up with Mary Zunick, who said, "Oh yeah, please perform here at the poetry night." Let's all our voices join as one to praise the Hero of the song. And it was great for all the poets that were there, and it was great for the Wesleyan singers, and just everybody got together on the last song and just, you know, it was big circle. It's just real powerful.